A fire can start anywhere in your home, office, or workplace. But do you know the basics of fire safety? Today I'll explain the types of fire extinguishers, and golden safety rules. So let's start. What is fire safety? Fire safety means practices and measures taken to prevent fire, control fire, and safely escape if it happens. Part 1, Fire Triangle. Fire needs three things: heat, fuel, and oxygen. If you remove one, the fire goes out. Classes of fire is basically a part 2 session. Class A, solid materials, wood, paper, cloth. These are the solid materials which comes in class A. Class B, flammable liquids, petrol, paint, oil. Class C, flammable gases, LPG, methane. Class D, metals, magnesium, sodium. Class E, electrical fires, short circuits. Class F and K, cooking oils and fats, kitchen fires. Part 3 is basically fire extinguisher. Water for class A fires, foam for class A and B fires, carbon dioxide CO2 for electrical and liquid fires, dry powders for class A, B, C fires, wet chemicals for class F, cooking oils. Use the right extinguisher for the right fire. This is the most important rule for safety. Fire safety rules is basically come in part 4. Raise the alarm, inform others immediately, evacuate safely, follow fire exit signs, never use lifts during the fire, use fire extinguisher only if trained and fire is small, otherwise just go escape. Stop, drop, and roll if your clothes catch fire. Call emergency services. Don't delay. So remember, fire needs heat, fuel, and oxygen. Know the classes of fire, the correct extinguisher, and always follow safety rules. In the next video, I'll cover work at height, golden safety rules. Subscribe and stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.